I think that Hanover shows that despite all our challenges, Germany is still a country of innovation, of great technological achievements, and so is China. And so it's just natural that entrepreneurs exchange and can learn from each other. And I think we still have great potential for Sino-German economic relations. Actually, besides all the topics that you hear in many discussions and forums about Sino-German cooperation in green transition, in health, in machine construction, I think the most interesting topic is the collaboration and the cooperation in artificial intelligence. AI will become the shaping technology for the future of our societies. And China has shown incredible innovations and achievements in AI. Now, here in Europe, we have discussed the topic a lot in the context of competition. But I think we should more discuss the topic in the context of cooperation. So to see how German, European, and Chinese innovators in artificial intelligence can work together to help AI benefit people and not just markets.